Hi car fans, welcome back to my newest video. Today we will be opening up another Tesla, and it was one of the last ones that they had for sale from their website, and we will be opening it up today. And here it is. Some water likes. And then there's another side picture if you want to get it. And then we will start opening up the car. So, I hope you guys have been enjoying our other videos. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my Hot Wheels video that we did a couple weeks ago. And please, if you really like this video, you guys can go check out the other diecast car videos we have on our YouTube channel. And yeah, let's get into this car.
Yeah, check out our other Tesla video. We have Tesla Model 3, Model X,
3.
Model 3,
Yeah.
Model X. This is X, yes.
This is
Model
X
3,
model.
yep. Here we go. Here's it.
Oh yeah, and here's the certificate of authenticity.
Tesla
Model
Model
X.
X P100D. There we go. True representation of the original car.
So here is the car. You got the tape off. It's covered in its material.
I thought it was going to be white.
Oh yeah, I guess it's gray. Oops, the front's open.
I thought it was going to be white. Not white. Doesn't look white.
This thing is way too heavy. Let me see if I can bring it out without damaging it. This is a little bit tall too, so it's hard. So get it out. Okay. There we go. So there we have the model. You can see part of it right now. Be careful with some of the smaller parts.
Oh, wait, this one doesn't have the wrapping or anything on it. Okay.
The Model 3 had like nothing. Just game with tissues.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so here's the car. If you want to take a little look around first. So there's the front. And there's this side. Want to look at that. That door isn't going fully for some reason, but we'll have to see that later. And if you want to come around to the back, and then it looks like it has some sort of a covering on the windshield, I guess, right there.
Okay, let's open the doors.
Yeah. So let's get this stuff open. Does this open? Oh, yeah. So there's the frunk, as they call it. And so there's that. Then we come around to the passenger side. There's the passenger door.
There's that.
It has all the wood and everything. And coming around here, we have the gull-wing doors, or the bird doors. I'm just gonna have to hold it up because it's not staying up, but there are the doors. I guess they'll stay up kind of, not that much. And then there's the back, and then I'll see if the spoiler opens or does its thing.
So this is 3-row.
Yeah. So this is what our other option would have been. Yeah. Let's close that and let me see if this spoiler will come, because sometimes it might. I'm not gonna try to do anything, but yeah, no, I'm not sure about that. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't want to break anything. But yeah.
Okay, open all the doors. Let's see. Keep all the doors open.
And I guess they gave us something in here too. Actually, no, that's not what I think it was. I wonder what it is, but we'll see. Yeah. And the front has actual real carpeting. And so here's the driver's side. We have the thing, and there's this sort of covering, I guess, on the windshield. Maybe it's like some sort of like protection package thing, because on the normal ones I haven't seen it, but maybe it is there. It's just hard to see.
I think just a different kind
Yeah.
of glass for that window.
Yeah.
I guess for the roof.
Yeah. And then here's the front to check that out. And there's the carpeting in there.
Yeah, that might be hard to see with the camera here, but
Yeah. And then you got the little stickers, like warning labels saying like this is a flammable product, it could, you know. And then you got something mysterious in the third row. I don't know what it is, but it's chrome parts and apparently they don't come off. Some sort of chrome thing. I have no idea what it even is, but it's there.
yeah, so if you guys know what that part is or
Yeah.
what that is, let us know. We're
Yeah.
not gonna take it out or anything right now. So let us know if it is something that comes out or what is that for.
Or what it could be in the real cars, like if it's
Yeah,
just
and if it's
something
part of the real cars, then what it is. So let us
Yeah.
know so we can kind of look at it. But yeah, let us know in the comments what do you think of the car. It is not white. We were
Yeah.
looking forward to having a white. There was no real choice when you purchased it to see what color you want. So this one's cool too, gray color. That's not too bad. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I was
There
thinking
we
it'd be
go.
kind of nice if we had like a red one with black wheels,
yeah.
or something with black wheels, because I've seen those before. Those are like I think they call it like one of the faster ones that they have. So
Okay.
it's the
Good.
So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know in the comments what car you would like to see us unbox next. And if you haven't already, go down into our channel and look at our videos if you really like this video. We have a Hot Wheels diecast video in there, and we have other 118 scale diecast car vehicles, including a Tesla Model 3 that we also got. And yeah, so if you haven't already yet, you can go down and subscribe down below, and have a great rest of your day to all the car fans out there. Bye.